Well, it's August 2nd, so here's an update on the progress of the garden. Is already had several harvest times, so this is just an update in terms of what's left in August. As you know, the way you plant your garden is to always have something in it, so you could have something to eat, right? So as you reap, I guess you cut things in a certain way so they're able to grow back. Some does not at all. In case of strawberries, right? After the season's over, it's over. But here it is again. We got the chives that are ready for another harvest. The peppermint is growing. I don't think we plucked anything off of these yet. No fresh peppermint as yet. And we have what are these, lettuce again, that are growing in between here and over there. That's the lettuce bed. Lavender. I don't think I saw a lot of lavender flowers that came up. I mean, you could see them, but they're not bright as they used to be. So maybe it's time for another plant. The sage, we've been clipping a lot of the leaves, so it has actually grown back. We got the Greek oregano here. And the morning glory. I should have been out here early in the morning, but that's how they normally grow, blossom. Not too many. I don't really transplanted a lot of plant this year, but normally I just have them climbing the fence, so they're there. Yeah, so the lettuce are here, some over here. The broadleaf collards, I have to come and harvest some today or tomorrow. These two beds here. Of course, the June berries, right? Strawberries, whatever you call them, they're done for the year. They're just trying to, spread themselves. But once they don't hit any ground, or dirt rather, they kind of die out. But I don't really want any more to grow. So over here, also in this bed, I added some celery. So all these celeries over here. In this section, more celery. Then I did some beans here. I never do too well with beans, but about 6 or 8 plants, bean plants that are here. Mustard, right? Yeah, mustard green. Kale, it's coming up nicely here. We probably harvested about 3 or 4 times already. And have some more celery in the corner here. Whatever this is, squash. It's climbing, but I don't think it'll make it for the year, because by the time August gets here and it starts to blossom, it'll probably get diseased or something. So I don't do too well with these climbers. Cucumbers, I used to do well with them and then kind of stopped. So I have a few pepper plant here, I think, in between. I don't know what that is. And over here, I think that's, I think these are cucumbers. I saw some blossoms, but nothing yet. And then over here is the Swiss chard and beets. So I'm gonna harvest some more of these and get some juice going. Over here, the radish, which didn't do too well in terms of the produce, the root, but leaves were able to use the leaves, the juice. And what is this, a worm? Whatever that is, I don't know. And over here are the tomatoes. Haven't harvested any yet. Oh, I think that's a snake. I heard something move. Probably a snake. I'm gonna try to sniff it out. Yeah, where are the tomatoes? I saw it earlier. A few. Yep. And over here we just planted a few callaloo. You see something like some already. They're eating the leaves. I don't really concentrate on callaloo this year. But that's it. That's the garden. So let me go hunt now. August 3rd, I believe, or 4th. And this is the harvest for August. Took care of the kale bed. The kale produce here. Over here with the beets and Swiss chard. Took care of that there. Again, these radishes, the root is not really producing, so we use the leaves for, what do you call it? The juicing. So took care of that. Mustard green over here. Took care of that bed. So supposed to get another harvest in probably mid-August. This is the giant collard. These two beds here. Took care of these. Still got some celery growing over there. Over here, harvested the lettuce. Took care of that lettuce over here. Harvested some oregano, sage, and I forgot what the other thing. Chives, I think. Yeah, chives, oregano, and sage. And I haven't touched the peppermint yet. Just gonna leave that there. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. Gonna go do some juicing. Well, not me, but you know. So August, not too bad. August 3rd, everything's all cleaned up, ready to go. Washed off. And these are the produce for August 3rd. Got the sage, got the lettuce here. What is it over here? This is chive. We got Greek oregano. I don't know, mustard green, broadleaf collard. This is the what you call it, kale, Swiss chard, and some radish. That's it. Peace. Nice. Juicing, a lot of juicing. Maybe stew down a little. All right, progress.